Hello. This section will look at topics that involve the straight line. So to start off with, let's look at the distance formula. So sometimes you might have 2 points on a line and you want to know the distance between these 2 points. So this is a concept called the Pythagorean distance. So you'll recognize this from work that you've done already before. So you can actually see that these two lines can make up a triangle. And we'll just give them names R and S. And we'll just call this side Q as well. So you should know that Q squared plus Q squared is equal to R squared plus S squared. Okay, so now we can work out how long these lines S and R are. So we just need to look at their coordinates. So for side R, this is just the two y coordinates. We'll even label them to make life easier. So, that is x1 and y1, and that is x2 and y2. So the length R is just going to be y2 minus y1, and the same with S, it's just going to be x2 minus x1, and we can just work this out as 7 minus 3, that equals 4, and S is 5 minus 2, that equals 3. So we can stick this information into our formula from before, where we go Q squared equals 4 squared plus 3 squared. So we should know that 4 squared is 16 plus 3 squared is 9, that equals 25. And now we don't want Q squared, we want Q. So Q equals the square root of 25, which we all know is 5. So Q equals 5. So that's just an example, but we'll look at a general form of this equation. So back to the same example before, except instead of coordinates, we've just got x and y. So again, we have Q, R, and S. So as we said before, Q squared equals R squared plus S squared. But we're going to sub in the coordinates y2 and x2 and y1 and x1. So we go Q squared equals, and as we said on our previous slides, R is equal to y2 minus y1, and S is equal to s2 minus x1. So we're just going to go ahead and sub that in. So y2 minus y1 squared, plus x2 minus x1 all squared, where that is R. That is R, and that is S. So, and then we can simplify this down again. Again, this Q equals y2 minus y1 squared plus x2 minus x1 all squared, and this is all square rooted. So that's how you get the formula from first principles. So that's how you derive it from the first way out. 1 second, I've got here and that written out a bit neatly. So I hope from this you should now understand how to use the distance formula and how the formula is derived. Right. Well, thank you. Thank you very much.